I think just to be able to come in as much as you can, because that's really when the opportunity presents itself. It really presents itself to those who are available. You know, um, there's a lot of times like even with Bennett, he's just fresh off an internship, and he was brought into the Kanye West situation because he was available. I called him and he answered, and he was willing to bring his whole studio setup immediately. And so now because of that, he's brought into this situation. And like there's like things that happen like that, maybe not on such a major scale, but like that all the time just because you're available. So if you have a work schedule or anything like that, like just try and work it in with your mentor to get in there as much as possible. Like I'm not sure how every studio works, but like we're here pretty much every day, all day for the most part. So I think that's probably like one of the biggest parts, and just observing and asking questions when it's appropriate, and then immediately applying those, like immediately apply everything that you're learning. Whether you're applying what you learned from the curriculum, or if you're shadowing a session and you're watching us in Pro Tools and you see us do something that you just learned, like I think it's just important to just apply that immediately, and then make connections too. Like it's recording connections, so it's like definitely do a good job of like building a rapport with the artists who come in, but at the appropriate time. So that's the most important thing. Like a lot of the time, like you do kind of want to just stay out the way and just kind of observe, but there will be a chance, usually like when we're wrapping up, like either before or after, like right when it starts, or like while as we're cleaning up. Those are your moments to really ask your questions that you want answers to, and then kind of build a connection with the artist as well, which I think is most important, because a lot of the students who I bring in, I encourage them to build a repertoire with the artist, because you could be recording them in a couple months.